Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to unfriend someone on Facebook. Why would you want to know how to unfriend someone on Facebook? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to unfriend someone on Facebook. So today I am going to show you how to unfriend someone on Facebook. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Unfriending someone on Facebook is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will unfriend someone on Facebook. First of all, open Facebook app in your device, and now here is my Facebook home screen. Now first click on three lines in the right top corner and then click on your profile icon. Now first scroll down this page and then click on see all friends. Now here are my all friends. Now for unfriending, click on three dots next to the profile and then click on unfriend. Now confirm it and your friend has been unfriended on Facebook. So there you go. If you were wondering how to unfriend someone on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.